What's goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. And today we're gonna make some curry chicken Jamaican style. So here I have my chicken washed and already clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to season my chicken. So I'm going in with some garlic powder, onion powder mix. I'm adding some turmeric powder, Cajun seasoning, some Cool Runnings chicken seasoning, some garlic plus. I love garlic plus. And I'm not gonna add the curry as yet, so I'm just gonna rub this in. Okay, goodies, so nice and seasoned. I am now going to put my pot on the stove with some garlic and some oil. Here I have my pot with, I have some chopped garlic, and I'm just going to add the curry. So you want to let this fry up for about a minute, okay? Don't let it burn, don't let it get too bitter. Alright, goodies, so now we're going to add our chicken. And you want to spin this up for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then you're going to cover it down. And then we're going to add our water, okay? So after you spin it up and spin it up and spin it up, goodies, we're going to add some water to the pan. Wash out the rest of the seasoning. And then we're going to add our water. We're going to add the water now, goodies. And I'm adding just enough water to cook my meat. And I'm going to go in now with my seasoning. So I have some onions, green bell peppers, and some thyme. And I'm going to spin this up and cover it down. I'm going to come back and taste the pot and see if I need to add anything else like salt. Normally I would top up my pot with like a Maggi chicken season cube, but sometimes I don't need it, so I'm gonna wait and come back and see what's going on for this curry chicken. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, goodies, so as you can see, the gravy gone down. So this is when we know that our chicken is ready. And as you can see, it's falling apart. Okay, nice and beautiful. Look at that, falling apart, nice and soft. That's our curry chicken. And look at our piece of pepper over here. Let me know what you think about this recipe, goodies. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, share the video, like the video, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.